So till now we have seen the fractions, what is fraction, types of fractions, and converting a mixed fraction into a improper fraction and improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So now we'll see the operations. So operations in operations of fractions, will be coming across the addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division. So to simplify and to make easy, we are having three cases in addition. Case 1. Now we'll see the case 1. So when denominators will be same, so the LCM is also the same. So we can add the numerator directly. Example. One by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to. So when denominators are same for both the fractions, then the LCM of the fraction is also same. So 2. So directly we can add the numerators. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 get cancelled and answer is 1. So we can write so many examples in this way. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So 2 by 5. 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7. 3 by 7. And so on. In case 1, we have seen that common denominator is only the LCM. But in case 2, what it happens means, in case 2, there are again sub cases A and B. So when denominators are uncommon, in case 1, we have seen the common denominators, but in case 2, we will see the uncommon denominators. So in case 2, again in sub sometimes highest denominator itself will be the LCM. So in some cases, the highest denominator will be only the LCM. So in the same manner, when we say the case B, it says that sometimes highest denominator multiplied by smallest number gives LCM. So now we'll see the examples. Example for case A. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 12. So in case A, what it says is the highest denominator will be only the LCM. How? Why? Because 12 is divisible by 4, even by 3. So if we do the LCM also, the LCM will be 2. Let us check how it will be. 4 common, 3 common, 12. So first we have to take the prime number. 2 2s are 3 common, 2 6s are. So again 2, 2 1s are 3 common, 2 3s are 6. Next by 3. 3 3s are 3 1s are. So again if we multiply 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So answer is 12. By doing this long method, why we have to do long method means it's a shortcut. The highest denominator will be only the LCM. So now the LCM is 12. 4 3s are 12. 3 4s are 12. In 12 1s are 12. So 3 plus 4 plus 1 is equals to 8 by 12. It get cancelled. You have to cancel. 4 2s are 4 3s are. 2 by 3 is answer. I hope you understand this process. Why do we have to do this part? So simplification, it takes a lot of time. So in exams, you will be not having, sometimes you will be not having the time to do such a simplification. For in easy manner, we have learned this. This is for A. For B, 3 1 by 14 plus 1 2 by 5 plus 4 1 by 7. Here in this case, these are unrelated. These are unrelated. How? Because 5 is not divisible by 14. Only 7 and 14 are related. In 14 and 7 is multiple of 7 times 7 ones are 7 to the 14. So when we apply this case A here, the LCM is 14. 14 5 is 70. Because they are unrelated, we have to multiply directly. We should never bother about the whole number because we have to add directly. If it may be 100 or 200 or some whatever it may be, we can add directly. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8. 70, 14, 5 is 14 is 10 is. The answer will be 843 by 70. When we multiply and add, we get the answer 43 by 70. Now we will see case 3. If denominators are unrelated, multiply all such denominator to get LCM. So when all the denominators are unrelated, they won't have any relation between one or another. Then we have to multiply all the denominators to get an LCM. Here I have taken the one example 3 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. So 3 and 4 is not multiplied. Now we'll see case 3. If denominators are unrelated, multiply all such denominators to get LCM. When all the denominators are unrelated, they doesn't have any relation between each other, then we have to multiply all the denominators to get an LCM. Here I have taken one example 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and 1 by 5, where 3 is not divisible by 4 or 4 is not divisible by 5. So they are unrelated. So we have to multiply to get an LCM. 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So 3 20s are 4 15s are 12 5s are 60. So we have to add 12 plus 15 is 35, 35 plus 12 is 40, 47. 47 by 60. It's already in a proper fraction, so we doesn't want to write anything. So smaller number, numerator has a smaller number than the denominator. In subtraction, the subtraction is the same procedure. If we come to know how to do addition, then subtraction is very easy to solve. So now we'll solve these problems. Let us take an LCM for both. They both are unrelated, so it doesn't have any relationship. So we have to multiply, and when we multiply only, we get the LCM. 2 3 are 6. But when we be writing here multiplication value, we have to compulsory put the symbols. So 2 3 are into 3. 3 2s are into minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3. 1 by 6. Here, when we come here, there is a relationship. So what means 12 is divisible by 4. So 4 3s are 12. So then highest denominator will be the LCM. So 12 is the LCM. 12 will be the LCM. So 12 ones are 12 plus 12 4 3s are 12 minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2. Again it get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are, so minus 1 by 6. Here they both are related, but they both are not divisible by one number in another number, but they have a relationship. So the relationship is 3. I'm saying in the simplest and easy form. So 3 is a common for both. 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3 5s are. So 12 5s are 60. So LCM is 60. If you have any doubt, like I will solve it and will show it. 15 come at 12. Which we have to take prime number, smallest prime number. So 15 is odd number, it doesn't go. 2 6 are. 3 is are. Next we have to take 3. 3 5 is are. 3 1s are. 5 1s are 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. I have told it in a very easy and simplest form. So 15 4s are. 12 5s are. Minus 5 plus 4. Minus 1 by 60 is answered. Here, even this is also, they both are unrelated, but they have a relationship because they both are the multiple of 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 14s are 7 2s are 14. So 7. 7 1s are 7 2s are 21 into 2 is 42 is LCM. 42. 21 into 2. 14 3s are 42. 3 3s are 9. Minus 9 plus 4. So minus 5 by 42. So if you have any doubt or I have to solve still many more examples, please comment me. I'll try to solve all the problems, whatever you have commented me in the comment box. Thank you.